Hello students. So now we will begin the second part of the chapter Rural Livelihood. I hope that you all have listened the first part of this video. In the first part we have discussed about the Raman and Thulasi. Raman and Thulasi are a landless laborer of this village. And now there is a second character of this village, that is Shekhar. So in this chapter, in this video, we will see that what are the Shekhar situation, what are the problems that he faced in his life, and how he solved his problem in his life. So now we will have a look on the small farmer, and here who is a small farmer? He is Shekhar. Okay. why we call him small farmer? Because उसके पास लैंड जो है कम है, छोटा लैंड है, उसके पास केवल 2 acres लैंड है. Okay, so as usually they have a small land, so they do not take the help of any hired worker, any paid worker. They do all these work on the field, like weeding, harvesting, planting the crops, and plowing the field. All these things they complete with the help of his family members. And at time, especially during the harvest season, they take the help of the other farmers and in turn help them harvest their field. But these farmers have some problems. What are these problems? They have not money to buy seeds, fertilizer and pesticides. क्योंकि फसल उगाने के लिए हमको बीज चाहिए और उसकी ग्रोइंग को इंक्रीज करने के लिए फर्टिलाइजर चाहिए, उसमें कीड़े उड़े नहीं लगे इसके लिए पेस्टिसाइड चाहिए. तो बट फॉर बाइंग ऑल दीज थिंग दीज स्मॉल फार्मर्स हैव नॉट सेविंग. उनके पास कुछ पैसा नहीं रहता है, पुराना पैसा नहीं रहता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन समवन फॉर दिस money, to get the money for buying all these things. And who are they? From them these farmers get the money. They are the money lender. मनी लेंडर मतलब जो पैसा उधार दे लोगों को, उनको कहते हैं मनी लेंडर. तो what these money lenders do, if suppose these money lenders give 100 rupees to a farmer, so when the farmer will return the money, they will also have to pay some interest on that money. Okay, अगर मनी लैंडर ने 100 रुपीज दिया तो they will have to return 130 rupees. Okay, so these are the benefits for money lenders. So these small farmers do not know about the banks, and banks is not easy accessible for these farmers, so they are usually depend on these money lenders. So these money lenders also put before them a condition that when your paddy would be ready, you will have to give your paddy only to me. You will have to sell your paddy only to the money lenders. Okay, so यहाँ जो फार्मर्स हैं, यहाँ फार्मर्स को अपना जो भी क्रॉप्स होता है कभी कभी सिर्फ मनी लेंडर को ही सेल करना पड़ता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उस मनी लेंडर ने उनको पैसे उधार दिए हैं. ठीक है. सो हियर शेखर इज नॉट फ्री टू सेल देयर प्रोडक्ट इन द ओपन मार्केट. ठीक है, ओपन मार्केट का मतलब एक मार्केट होती है, उसको मंडी कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो वहां पे क्या होता है, बहुत सारे फार्मर्स आते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट को लेके, अपने ग्रेन्स को लेकर, और वहां पर ऑन द बेस ऑफ द क्वालिटी, ऑन द बेस ऑफ द market price, they get the money, they get the fair price of its product. But here these farmers like Shekhar, because they have borrowed the money, so money lenders put a condition कि तुम्हें अपना जो क्रॉप्स है वो केवल मुझे ही सेल करना होगा. So when the crops ready, these farmers usually go to the money lenders to sell his product to that person, and whatever money that money lender give to these farmers are forced to accept that. They have no any other way. They cannot deny, they cannot they are not free to sell their product to any other person. Okay, so this is the situation of the farmer. And also these farmers क्या होता है कि इनके पास चूंकि ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं, प्रॉफिट नहीं गेन कर पाते हैं, ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं बचता है, तो मीन्स पूरे लाइफ में, पूरे साल में कभी भी अगर इनको पैसे की ज़रूरत होती है, तो एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो दे गो टू दीज मनी लैंडर्स टू गेट सम मनी टू फुलफिल देयर डेली नीड्स ऑल्सो. And sometimes these farmers also keep the cattles. ठीक है, ये लोग कभी कभी काऊ रखते हैं, गोट्स रखते हैं, बेफेलो रखते हैं, and also get some milk from that. और sometimes they sell these milk to a nearby villages to get some extra money. So this also help them, especially during a नॉन क्रॉपिंग सीजन, जब कोई फसल नहीं हो रही है खेत में, खेत बिल्कुल खाली है, एट दैट टाइम दीज एनिमल्स हेल्प देम टू गेट मनी फॉर द डेली सर्वाइवल्स. So as I show you in previous slide that Shekhar borrowed money to invest in his field, but borrowing money sometimes cause distress among the farmers. So let's see how it's happened. ठीक है, क्या होता है कि ये जो फार्मर हैं वो मनी बोरो कर लेते हैं, लेकिन पैसा उधार लेना ही इनके जीवन में बहुत बड़ा संकट उत्पन्न कर देता है. तो अब देखते हैं कि ये कैसे होता है, इसका क्या साइकिल क्या है. ठीक है, तो फार्मर बोरो द मनी टू परचेज द बेसिक थिंग्स लाइक सीड्स, फर्टिलाइजर, पेस्टिसाइड्स, to get the water from the canal, or means to hire the labor, sometimes. But most of the time these small farmers do not go to the banks to take loan. Okay, they proceed to a nearby money lender to get the loan, but these money lenders charge heavy rate of interest. ये जो मनी लैंडर्स होते हैं ये बैंक से ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करते हैं. अगर बैंक, सपोज करो कि आपने 100 रुपीज़ बैंक से लिया, तो when you go to repay the money to bank you have to give only 105 rupees, मतलब 5 rupees extra बैंक लेगा. But these money lenders may be charge 20 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा, 30 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा. तो मनी लैंडर्स लोग ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करते हैं. ओके, सो ओके, अब ये किसान ने पैसा उधार ले लिया, अच्छा से सीड ले आया, फर्टिलाइजर लाया, पेस्टिसाइड लाया, तो मीन नाउ ही हैज़ अ ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशन from his crop कि this year crop will be very good and I would be able to repay all the loans and also I would be able to save some money for the next year. But no one knows about the future. Okay, sometimes some natural calamities occur. कभी कभी क्या होता है, कुछ नेचुरल डिजास्टर आ जाता है, लाइक फ्लड आ गया, ड्रॉथ की सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो गई, crops are attacked by the pest, some insects, or sometimes also happen कि seeds are not of the good quality. तो in this situation crops are failure. crops जो होती है वो खराब हो जाती है, वो बढ़ ही नहीं पाती है. And sometimes also because farmers mostly depend on the monsoon for the रेन, है ना, पानी के लिए तो वर्षा पे डिपेंड हैं वो लोग. बट समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि पानी नहीं बरसता है टाइम से, या फिर कम पानी बरसता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो क्रॉप्स डू नॉट गेट द इनफ वाटर. तो इन दिस सिचुएशन ऑल्सो क्रॉप्स आर ruined. क्रॉप्स जो है वो खराब हो जाती है. जैसे रिसेंटली यू हैव लिसन इन द न्यूज़ दैट बिहार में बाढ़ आ गई, असम में बाढ़ आ गई. तो whenever flood occur, most of the farmers' crops get ruined, and in this situation, farmers face a lot of problems. And here also, in most of the villages, it's happened. So when any natural calamities occur, these farmers will again unable to repay the loan, but for the family survival, for to pay the fee of the children, and for at the time of the illness, or to fulfill the day to day needs, they need to borrow more money. So again this cycle has starts, but they are unable to repay the loan back. In this situation, slowly and gradually they caught into a debt trap. मतलब उन्होंने पैसा उधार लिया, उसको repay नहीं कर पाए. Next year again they take the new loan from these money lenders. Again they are unable to repay the loan. So in this way debt increase means a lot. Okay, so this situation is known as a debt trap, and sometimes this has created a lot of distress and grief in the mind of the farmer, that farmer ultimately try to commit a suicide. And in India especially, in most of the areas, this this crop failure has become a, a most important region among the distress, among the means the reason of a suicide among the farmers.